And there's an ant inside. The ant is going around the battery and wondering what is happening. Oh, bee. There's a bee. There's a bee on my... Uh-oh, now I cannot see it's going or coming. Hold on.
What?
This is good. Autofly. Jujo's first ant that actually took flight, and it's going home. It's like,
oh my god, oh my god, that was nice. I love it. Where's my family? I gotta go and tell my family I had a flight on Bell 206 Ranger helicopter.
oh no, zero. All right, here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here. Let's fly Bell 206. There is an ant up there, and this ant is going to regret being up here. Here we go. Nice. That was like a scale takeoff. Spool up and then, you know, take off. Come closer. I see the ant is inside. Only that. Oi! Oi! I have to find the mid spot to hold the GPS. Is this the mid spot? This is the mid spot. No, this is the mid spot. Okay, right here. Check this out. That's my beloved Bell 206 right there. And there's an ant inside. The ant is going around the battery and wondering what is happening. Why did I come in here? I'm gonna fly good line of sight today. And on my foot. So the ant inside the helicopter is taking a very good ride today. Free ride of Bell 206. You know what? I have to check my stuff, so I'm just gonna put it to pass-through mode. Very good.
Oh. What?
This is good. Autofly. Oh. Now I can go drink coffee or whatever, you know. My helicopter will keep flying all by itself. My radio is right here. You can impress people. Say, look, my helicopter is flying by itself. Nice. I think I want to cut this one. Yeah, let's see if we can cut this one. So, normal mode. Here comes the helicopter, slowly. Yeah! I cut them all, man. Cut them nice and clean. Ah! Yeah, it's heavy. It's heavy. It goes down. You have to give it full collective. Let's see, the ant is still inside or not. Oh, it's outside now. The ant is outside. Right there. It's on the skids. Poor ant is like, please, I want to go home. Nice blade sound. I like that sound, man. I'll give ant a bit more ride. The ant is gonna tell a very good story today to its family. I was, on a table and I saw a beautiful helicopter. I went on and somebody closed the canopy, and then next thing what you know, I was flying. I'm actually cutting these shrubs, cleaning them up. There's one long one here. Yeah, it hit me. A part of it hit me. Oh, the ant! Is it still there? All right, let me give the ant, a landing so we finish its flight. It can go home probably. Hold on. Come on, ant. Where are you? Is it still on the skids? I can see it. So this is Chujo's first ant that actually took flight, and it's going home. It's like, oh my god, that was nice. I love it. Where's my family? I gotta go and tell my family I had a flight on Bell 206 Ranger helicopter. Oh man, I'm crazy. Oh, I'm so happy that I can't find my home. He's coming to the pilot now. Probably he wants to say thank you to me. All right, you go ahead, enjoy your time. I'm gonna, take off again. You want another flight? You can go on, dude. No problems. So here we go. Take off for a while and then land. Oh, bee. There's a bee. There's a bee on my... Hey, bee, leave me. Hey, bee, leave me. I don't like bees, man. They can change their mind anytime and ding, and you go like, ah! So, where's the bee? Yeah, luckily it's gone. 11 minutes. I'm still having fun flying it around. I'm sure you're getting bored now watching this boring, relaxing flight of Bell 206 Ranger. Hey, please don't get much speed, it's not good. Please don't get much speed. So my line of sight is still working. I'm going. It is going really far. Uh-oh, now I cannot see it's going or coming. Hold on. It's a good test of return to home. Good test of return to home. Yay! Nice. So if you lose your orientation, you go too far, you can activate return to home, and look how beautiful it's coming back at ya.
12 minutes.
12 minutes, so I'll take control
GPS mode.
because I know it's here. I can see it and I can control it. Alright, Bell 206, thank you very much for your flight. Let's land it, people, and have fun with other helicopters. Thank you very much for watching this flight. Give it a big thumb up and stay tuned for more flights. Obviously, subscribe to my channel. You know, hit that little bell icon and turn on all the notifications. If you have any questions regarding H1 flight controller, Bell 206, or H1 helicopters, just drop me a line and I'll try to help you out as much as I can. MashaAllah, beautiful flight. Never disappoints, always a pleasure to fly. Oh, the ant is going up again. I'll give you another ride, dude. It seems like you love it.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?